Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you guys having a Ford vehicle. It could be any Ford vehicle. If you need to test AC pressure switch, find out if it's working or not, stay with us, we'll cover that today. AC pressure switch may make your AC not to turn on, blow hot air, or the AC to work on and off, guys. So make sure to stay until the end, and there is one important thing that you need to keep eye on, so we're going to cover that as we go. Now, that should work on multiple Fords. Some of those could be Fusion, Escape, C-Max, Ford Focus, guys, F150, Explorer, Edge, multiple Ford vehicles. Even if it's a truck such as F150 or a small car like a C-Max, it will be about the same to test it. Before we start, let me just tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them apart, we show you how to fix quite a few things, guys. Why we do that? Simply because our mission as a shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. Now, if you need to buy any parts tools for a really good price and quick shipping, guys, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from. So let's explain how we're going to test the AC pressure switch. Before we do that, let me show you where it's located. Usually it's on a high pressure AC line, and this is the switch right here. The purpose of that switch is to detect the amount of pressure in the AC system. It will send it to the engine computer. The engine computer will determine if it's enough pressure to activate the AC compressor. If it's not enough pressure, it will not turn it on. If that switch is not reading, okay, not working, the engine computer will get zero value. As a result, it will not turn your AC and it will blow, okay, hot air. So I'm going to come inside the Ford vehicle. Okay, let me show you, okay, what we need to do. I need to gently get in here. It's a little bit of a tight fit. We need to find the OBD port. In our case, it's right here under the cover, or it's under the dash somewhere. Now, the OBD port, we just plug it in, right? Pretty simple, just like that. Now, I'm going to get inside, and I want to show you what we'll be doing. Now, if you have a gas car, non-electric car or plug-in where it will be working on electricity only, get it outside the garage, not inside, because okay, you can actually die from the exhaust gas. So this is the computer we'll be using. I'll put the link in the description of the video below. This computer can pay itself off in one-time use. It's amazing too, guys, that we will recommend. It's an all system scanner. You can read the lead codes from every computer system. You can see live data. It's simply amazing. I'll click diagnostics right here. Now, the Ford, I'll just turn the ignition on without starting the car, so not pressing the brake pedal for that engine, okay, for that engine switch there. Here, guys, if you look now, okay, what do we have? Let me show you now. We're going to click VIN. Okay, you can click VIN and it can auto detect the vehicle. Okay, it's going to decode the VIN number. It's going to ask us, okay, it's the US version right here, and we need to confirm this is the correct one. It will decode it and tell us exactly, okay, which one it is. So we confirm yes, it's going now, and let us actually show you, okay, what we need to do next. It's connecting. That's the battery voltage, 12.85 volts. Make sure your voltage is over 12 volts. We have it on a battery charger now. This is, guys, Ford C-Max plug-in, okay, hybrid electric vehicle. We select yes, and here now it's communicating, and in a little bit you will see it will give us the options to see all the different computers, which is quite a few. That's why we love that computer, guys. It's simply amazing. So sometimes the Ford systems are a little bit slower to diagnose. That's on almost every Ford vehicle that I've worked. Even recently we worked on almost a brand new Mustang we got on the channel, and still it's a little bit more, okay, complicated than the other ones. It takes a little bit more time for the computers to access them. Okay, now we select control unit, and here you will see all the different computers in your car, which is amazing, right? 2, 4, 5, so 15 on this page, okay, 40 on this one. So what, we got 29 computers. Here, guys, we need to go to the PCM. This is the power train control module. This is for the transmission and the engine as well. Here we'll click live data. Under live data, it's going to read all the parameters here. Okay. So we need to just give it a little bit of time. I don't want to stop the camera so I can show everything clearly and you know what to expect. Otherwise I can probably save a little bit of time, but it will be more informative video and you will know the whole process. Here you will see all your units, guys. AC pressure sensor right now, okay, 524 kilopascals. So now what we can do, I'm going to turn the car on, okay, I'm going to turn the car on, perfect, it's on now, and here I'm going to turn the AC system on. AC needs to be on, guys, okay, off, on, and now we're going to go ahead, okay, check, 1 second, okay, we're going to go ahead and watch the pressure climb in the AC system. Now the car will turn on, okay, due to the fact that we don't have electric power now, but you can see the AC system, the AC switch is working now, guys, and you can check right here the values as well. Now one important thing, guys, okay, when I turn it off, I need to turn the ignition back on. When I turn it on, let me show you now. It's important, okay, you can see now it's going to drop some pressure because the AC system is off. So it's important, guys, to actually go ahead, okay, and if your AC first blows cold but then starts blowing warm, to make sure you have the system connected here and you can record it, okay, and you can record that, or a passenger to keep eye on it while you're driving or just idling at parking spot, and see if the AC switch is working. If it says 0, okay, or it says some super high value, that's the limit, guys, okay, but usually we'll say 0, then it's time to go ahead, guys, okay, and inspect the wiring harness or replace the AC switch. So that's how you check if it's working on Ford. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you next time.